Man pulling his coat more tightly. How cold it is. Wind. Sun, I give up. I cannot get his coat off. Sun. Now it is my turn. Let me try. He shines hard. Man, what a funny day. It was so cold and now it is so hot. Sun, shining harder. I will make him feel hotter and hotter. Man, wiping his face. I must take off my coat. Sun, wind, I have won. I have made him take off his coat. Adapted from Aesop's Fables. New words. Road, coat, quickly, stronger, cheeks, worn. Reading is fun. What did the wind do to get the man's coat off? What did the sun do to get the man's coat off? Who won in the end? Who said this to whom? I can get his coat off more quickly than you can. I will let you try first. How cold it is. I give up. I cannot get his coat off. I have won. Let's think. Rohan tries to snatch Gita's new book from her. What do you think is the best thing to do? Choose an answer. Gita runs away with her book. Gita fights with Rohan. Gita talks to Rohan. Gita cries in a corner. And share why you feel so. The wind and the sun ye kunibara kejatira. Wind ye kalare sun la ye midigi and tudung the pituchi was kelek nga goa pituchi res and sun ye kalare kera and yela chishos nye kerana kogam yela provos and wind ye lungyache kare kazugawa in a midi kajre tambushin judiro ko kyarwa. Tadijila halare man gita mutinara man ye pulling his coat more tightly. That under midi koran tudung more tightly la zambatandu tamr tanchera jushe ten res koran. How cold it is. Cold la like you did. Then it tang wala alar. Windy coloreta. Sun, I give up. Sun la ra. Ngata dikasa. Ta disung la jrako. Ta nga shagin la nga shorts no la ro. Give up la de ta sim shu chawala nere. Ta nga shagin la ro la kochura. I cannot get his coat off. Yeah, and you don't be too mundus. Yeah, koira. And then a sun gi colore. Now it is my turn. That turn la de thanda de pangre jura. Ta kosa la de jela pangre korwa. Ta de ngi gi pangre ngi gi dirdas. Ngi gi kasa pangre la ira. Let me try. Nga tapshi chigo alar. He shines hard. Ko gi nima wese jura de wedi shukchimbo jine. Ko gi chimburu shachura. Ne man gi kalare shines lana nima shar matra nima shukchimbo sharoche. Ne man gi kalare midi what a funny day. Nima de kensa la. It was so cold and now it is so hot. It was la zama dingela ra. Tis debala. This ngela an pe thangod da ta ya chau pe du la ra. Sun gi kalare sun gi shiny harder lana thande dile charta ajra. Nima chertandra to chertane. I will make him feel hotter and hotter. Nya sugi is koya and it that so what color color char chochue sugi is. Ne midi color wiping his face. Wiping lana chiwala ranga koidi muna chidwa. Chigi la color I must take off my coat. Mangeba bingi ani to don't pigudos. Sunny color wind ra Lunglara, I have won the top stars. I have made him take off his coat. Nyako had told to do the pichu in the rako. The net did the quasa drum the net is a ra. Caesar Nala road, coat nidorda. Road led langa, coat lana tudum, quickly lana dopo stronger lana shu chirta ma da chewa ra cheeks lana manjo damba ra dongi damba ni ti one lana top chapa dene reading is fun ra loya de to ayures ta kang lo che manjo de la le che ra tambo theory what did the wind do to get the man's coat off ani long di midi ye tudum ma piya la kharchires and len la khatndire the wind blew ra blow sabla blew past tense ra blew to get the man's coat off midi tudum ma piya chedula ko ye lung yares ra blow le de lung yawala ko chore ya phu yawala ko chora then what did the sun do to get the man's coat off then nimagi kachires midi to tudum ma piya la then the sun shone harder to get the man's coat off. This nimagi ni nimewe di kalore. Shukche de sharache midi to lo kudong pitores pires pielra. Who won in the end? Sutobres tamadla. The sun won in the end. Ra ko kaptu mashir in the end lady. Ra chua kadun ma len kadun de chua nangla chega ma tuen ra. Tadne wala mamushi ra yechik de la tensha. Who said this to whom? The line thambodira sugilare sulalare lejra sula sugilare lejra. Mudlar thambodi I can get his coat off more quickly than you can. Nye ko yitudundi kiran de jowa pitu guyele de sugilarlana lunglain ba the wind said this to the sun. This led the line la the thick la koba ani gare lungi dilares sulalare nimala lare la ta jiga I will let you try first suilare ngi thangbo khina la thapsi chijugule di suilare nimagi lungla larwa so khalare the sun said this to wind ra wind to the wind then how cold it is led suilare midi line ba the man said this ra ta sulala sa ko sulala de khela ma to himself na de ora koron la ra this the man said to himself ra I give up I cannot get his coat off this sulala danga shai na jra danga this shai kira ani to lo pitu mas la de sulala lungla ra the wind said this to the sun the gang de chipar ra I have won nga tops da le de suilar nimai la ra the sun said this to the wind then let's think down some tangos ra Rohan tries to snatch Gita's new book from her Rohan gi khachire tapshi chire snatch lana chowa misan engine the laqachini ten to choyra Gita lana phumod chira Gita gi thep sawa de ra thep sawa di Rohan gi Torres, Toya Tapsichires, from her Mozanera. What do you think is the best thing to do? Kiran Sambala, ani Yakshu Ched Kararisam Gidus, Rata, the Troy, the Nedankaplara. Choose an answer. Lenshi Damsho das, Tadina Damboyer, Dina Kagichina Rimbayer Lejra. Gita runs away with her book. Koran Gita Morani, Teb Kitcher Tredowaina, the Dambaya Yagidoyana. Gita fights with Rohan. Gita ani Rohan yamdala zingna yagdo. Gita talks to Rohan. Gita gi Rohan la kijashina yagdo. Gita cries in a corner. Gita ani mochi deba na yagdo. Corner la na sujira sujla ki mone dena yagsarelar. And share why you feel so. Antina chik damgirwada. Ngaro chashina Gita runs away with her book chashina ra. Mora theb de kiche trero na yagsarelar ra. Kachinire 아니 시에쇼 시엘라나 냠주치나레 그 단다들라 시에와라 코나도라 미신바든 존염 가지는 결혼을 했음기도 라